Imagine, just for a second, walking right through the doors of Anthropic. We're talking about one of the absolute leading artificial intelligence companies in the world. Picture yourself spending 4 continuous months doing full-time, hands-on AI research, working directly alongside some of the sharpest minds in the entire industry. Well, that is exactly what we're looking at in today's Explainer. We're breaking down the newly announced Anthropic Fellows Program for 2027. And let me tell you, the details we're about to uncover are literally jaw-dropping.
3,850. So what is that number? That's the US dollar stipend you could be receiving. But here's the kicker. That is not per month. That is up to 3,850 US dollars every single week. Sounds crazy, right? I know. When I first reviewed the source material for this explainer, I actually had to stop and double-check the math. For a 4-month fellowship, that is an incredibly serious financial commitment from Anthropic just to support emerging research talent. But wait, because it actually gets even more intense. $15,000. On top of your weekly personal stipend, Anthropic provides an allowance of around $15,000 per month strictly dedicated to research, compute, and other expenses. As anyone in this space knows, compute power is basically the ultimate bottleneck for testing machine learning models. So by handing fellows this massive monthly budget, Anthropic is essentially stripping away the barriers to high-level empirical research. They're giving you the literal power to test out your biggest ideas.
Now, if those numbers have your attention, you really need to lock in on this timeline. The next cohort for this incredible program kicks off in January of 2027. But the absolutely crucial takeaway here is that applications are accepted on a rolling basis. That means they're evaluating candidates and filling spots right now as we speak. So you definitely don't want to wait until late 2026 to start thinking about this. Okay, let's dive straight into this. What is the fellowship? It's about developing AI talent regardless of previous experience. So how does this actually translate to your day-to-day work? Well, fellows aren't just sitting in a classroom taking notes. You're doing real, empirical research. You'll primarily work with external infrastructure, utilizing open-source models and public APIs. And why does this matter? Because you're working on projects that are perfectly aligned with Anthropic's own research priorities, but you're doing it in a way that interfaces with a broader open-source ecosystem. It's kind of like a giant puzzle. You're testing how these models behave, how they break, and how they perform out in the real world.
And the goal of all this empirical research isn't just internal learning. Get this, a massive 80% of fellows in a previous cohort successfully produced papers or some form of public research output. This brilliantly illustrates their intense focus on actual, tangible results. You aren't just going to be a shadow in the background. You are expected to contribute to the global conversation on AI by publishing your findings for the whole world to see. Moving right along to the breakdown of the benefits, the perks of being a fellow. Since Anthropic is operating globally, they outline the localized base stipends with total transparency. So the US base is that $3,850 a week. For our viewers in the United Kingdom, the listed equivalent is £2,310 per week. And for those up in Canada, you're looking at 4,300 Canadian dollars per week. They want to make sure international applicants know exactly what their baseline compensation looks like during these 4 months. But honestly, the money might be the least valuable part of the whole package. Beyond the stipends, fellows receive direct mentorship from actual Anthropic researchers. You get access to highly coveted shared workspaces in either London or Berkeley, putting you right in the geographic heart of the AI boom. And perhaps most importantly for your long-term career, you get a direct connection to the wider AI safety and security community. You're essentially networking with the people who are literally building the future.
So, what will you work on? Let's take a look at the 5 core research work streams.
This list brilliantly illustrates exactly where the frontier of AI is right now. These 5 areas are the current battlegrounds. First up, AI safety, ensuring models do what we want and, don't cause harm. Second, AI security, protecting these incredibly powerful systems from adversarial attacks. Third, ML systems and performance. That's the raw engineering challenge of making these models run efficiently. Fourth is reinforcement learning, teaching models through trial and error. And finally, economics and societal impacts, studying how this technology is fundamentally going to change human society. If you have a passion for any of these 5 areas, this is absolutely your playground.
Now for the important eligibility requirements. Let's get into the fine print you need to know, because there is a catch. You'll want to pay very close attention to this strict warning. Anthropic currently states that it absolutely cannot sponsor visas for fellows in this program. This is probably the most restrictive requirement of the entire application. Despite the massive funding and the incredible resources they're pouring into this, they just don't have the administrative pipeline to handle visa sponsorships for a short 4-month fellowship. Which brings us to these 3 strict, non-negotiable rules. Step 1, you must already have full-time work authorization in the US, the UK, or Canada. Step 2, you must be physically located in one of those countries for the entire duration of the program. And step 3, which is actually a pretty massive contrast to that earlier no prior specific experience needed vibe, you must be highly fluent in Python. They're totally willing to teach you the nuances of AI safety and research methodologies, but they are not going to teach you how to code from scratch. You need to show up on day 1 ready to write serious Python code full-time. So we've broken down the jaw-dropping weekly stipends, the massive monthly compute budgets, the intense focus on published open-source research, and of course, those strict eligibility requirements. The Anthropic Fellows Program for 2027 is clearly one of the most remarkable opportunities in the tech world right now. The only question left is, do you have what it takes to shape the future of AI safety in 2027? If you meet those requirements and have the drive to push the boundaries of machine learning, well, it might just be time to start preparing that application.